Okay guys, so I just got these great set of shoes that I want to show you. So that there's really pretty like camel toe beige color. They have adjustable straps, which is going to be great for anybody who has swelling in their feet, or if their foot's just a little bigger than the normal size. Instead of having to buy a wide or an extra large, you just have these straps that are going to adjust. They're going to look great with casual wear as well as with business casual or work things as well. So I'm really excited about these. I'm going to go ahead and put them on and show you guys what they look like.